We have only few weeks left till the next altcoin season will starting, and in this videos we're talking about exactly this, the next altcoin season, which altcoins you should position us right now. Also, we are checking about the Bitcoin dominance, which is kinda rising to the upside before we get the major altcoin run. And for sure, we'll also talk about our trades from yesterday, our Ethereum position, and also on Bitcoin. We saw here now a small correction after we hitting $108,500 today. So we expect here definitely some rejection. That is the reason I gave you yesterday the trade for the next position, because when we see it here on the EMA ribbon, we can also, there I told you a couple of days before that every time when we are getting far away from the EMA ribbon, we are kind of going back to the EMA ribbon, retesting the EMA ribbon. And this is also now the case we are seeing here right now, especially when we're going now to the 1 hourly chart, that we are going straight in the EMA ribbon now. So here it's very important that we are not flipping the EMA ribbon to the downside. Important for us to find here some support. I'm looking here definitely also for a new trade setup. You can also directly enter this. We are already in our trade in the 1 hourly chart very quickly. Then we see here we catched here directly perfectly the button with our limit orders. The limit orders down below was catched, but it's all fine. We got here our perfect entry, and I will keep this position still over till we reach the next high. So I will take some profits around $110,000. And also when we go now here back on the Bitcoin, we can also see when we are getting to the Fibonacci on the last levels, that we can see directly that our next price target would be here around $114,000 and all the way up $125,000. So these are my trade setup, especially my trade targets, but all the way up I will definitely take some profits. As I told you, on the all-time high I will definitely get some profits out of this. And if you also want to trade, don't forget to go to the link down below in the video description. There you find a link directly to ByBit. There you can open your account, deposit your trading money, and get also a nice bonus. And then you can also take these trades, as I told you here in the videos, completely for free. But let's move on our Ethereum position. So here we can also see our Ethereum position is now here in our consolidation range. As soon we are getting also like a retest here of this lower end of the support level, we can also take this here as a long position. So this was also our long position before. We can also go here and trade this all the way up to this $2,850 in this kind of range, because I expect also there that we get a rejection. Even if we didn't get a rejection, you can just keep it running the trade. By a proper retest, we definitely can see also some more room to the upside to like $3,000. But keep in mind that we could potentially see here some rejection over there. Also the RSI is telling us some sell pressure right now, so a little bit to downside more before we get like the push to the upside. Let's talk also about the link position. Yesterday we marked also the resistance level over there. We got again rejected over here, so our trade setup is now still invalid. We can also pull it further down, so at even the moment we enter or we break our resistance level over there, we can by a retest go in a long position. If we didn't get a retest or like a breakthrough about our resistance level, it don't make sense to open here a new long position, because we are kinda in a downtrend of our link position right now, or not on a link position, on our link setup. So at least we have definitely need to wait for the break of, then we can see very easy that we got one time rejected, a second time rejected. And I even expect here, if the Bitcoin dominance is going down, that we see a next retest. And when the Bitcoin dominance will also fall more down, then we could possibly see a next breakthrough and a retest to the upside. But even if the Bitcoin dominance is, as it right now, still climbing up, also for the altcoins is looking not that good, so that we can also see like a consolidation phase. when the Bitcoin dominance will dropping, then we will definitely start the altcoin rally. So here's now very important also for us that we are position ourselves now in some altcoin position. I told you already that Link is the first one I would definitely position if we get a break. Also on AVAX, we saw kind of the same. Perfect possibility to accumulate here in this kind of range. So I give you also here trade setup. We can definitely open here like a long position, or especially for your spot portfolio, you can definitely accumulate a lot of altcoins right now. You see it here on the crypto bubbles. A lot of altcoins are on the daily chart in the negative way. So here are the perfect moment to accumulate some more assets here. Also, when we're going to the weekly chart, we also see here that some altcoins performing quite good, but the most of the altcoins are quite 8, 10, 11% in minus on the weekly base. So here you have definitely some altcoins you can definitely take part of it. One of altcoin is definitely also 𝗬. Let's have a look also on 𝗬. Let me give you here also quickest setup. Let me mark this quite out. We go into the 4-hourly chart. So here will a lot of support coming in very close. So we see it here. We have here a big resistance, a big support area. We also get here already our support level. At least, even if we get like a second retest, we can definitely go here for some positions, and we can also hold this as my level is here still active. The latest resistance area over here on between 550 and 600 US dollars. And that's basically all the altcoins I would accumulate right now. This is Solana, this is Link, this is AVAX, and it's also here 𝗬, Ethereum for sure. And for Bitcoin, I gave you already the trade setup. So here you can enter it right now. If we are finding some support here, to be honest, you can enter it exactly right now. You can open the Bitcoin position right now. We see it in the next videos how the Bitcoin position is putting out. We can put the stop loss kind of like here. And that's basically all from this video. So if you also want to take this Bitcoin position here right now, go in the video description. There you find a link to ByBit. And then we see in the next video tomorrow.